Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video announcements, the very first video announcements of the new church year. I'm so excited for everything to get back up and going. And it was so wonderful to see so many of you yesterday for our backpack blessing service. That was such fun. I am here in our dining room because I wanted to show you a couple of new bulletin boards that are going to be a place where you can get information throughout the year. So first, over here we've got our This Month at UU Nashua board. So this is literally a calendar, and you'll see there are some little event notices on it. We are going to try to keep this as up to date as possible so that you can have an at-a-glance of all the events that are coming up in the next month here at UU Nashua. If you are part of a church group that's having an event and you don't see it up there, let us know, and we'll try to get it up there. On this bulletin board, which doesn't have a sign yet, but it will soon, this is going to be our opportunities to serve board. So this is a place for any opportunities to give of your time to the church. So you'll see already we've got this notice. We're looking for folks who want to sit up in the balcony and advance slides on Sunday morning. So if you have some time, you want to be able to give more time to the church, this is the place to look for opportunities to do just that. So we hope that both of these boards will be a new way of sharing information that will be helpful to all of you. This week, we've got a couple of things that are open to anyone. Tonight, we are going to be planning fun events for the year from 6 to 7:30 in room 6. So that's Monday night, August 26th. If you come, you are not committed to anything just by entering the door, I promise. But what we will do is we'll brainstorm some fun events for the year, and then folks will volunteer to coordinate those events. So if you have ideas or if you want to help make fun events happen here at the church, please join us tonight. Everyone is welcome. Again, that's 6 to 7:30 in room 6. This Thursday, our Racial Justice Working Group is meeting. We try to meet 3 times a year to plan what racial justice work will do in the next few months, to hear updates from some of the smaller groups that are working on things like our bail fund and immigration. So that's this Thursday. It's up in the youth room. It's from 6 to 7:30. Anyone is welcome to attend. If you want to get more involved in our racial justice work, if you want to hear what we're planning for the year, you are welcome. So please do join us. That's, again, this Thursday, August 29th, in the youth room from 6 to 7:30 p.m. This Sunday is our last summer service. It is being led by Jess Woods, who has been a worship associate for the last 3 years. I think it's going to be a fabulous service. It's called Embodiment of Healing. So that'll be 10 a.m. on Sunday as usual. And then next Sunday, September 8th, is our in-gathering water communion service. So that's when we really officially kick off the church year. And don't forget to bring water for that service. So we invite you to bring some water from a place that is meaningful to you to add to our common bowl as we celebrate bringing together our community once again. Afterwards, we will have a fun ice cream social with some water-themed activities out in our Grove Street parking lot. So plan to stick around after the service that day for ice cream and some fun. On September 15th, our faith formation workshops for kids will start, and Sadie's got lots of information about those. You can reach out to her if you have any questions, but those will be starting on September 15th. And our OWL class for 7th and 8th graders is starting in October. Again, Sadie has more information on that. Feel free to reach out to her if you have questions. She's always excited to hear from you. Registration is still open for our new Women's Faith Formation program that will start up in September called Women of Wisdom. It will consist of 13 monthly circles led by Gail McMorrow Donahue and Chris Parker. The circles follow the full moon, so they're not always on a consistent day, but they're all on our calendar. And they'll all be in the Campbell Chapel. For a whole lot more information and to sign up, I will put a link in the comments and you can follow it if you want more information about that. That's all I've got for this week. Short one this week. I'm sure I'll have a bunch to share next week. If you have anything you want me to include in these video announcements, don't forget to get it in to me before 9 a.m. on Monday morning, and I will make sure to include it. In the meantime, have a wonderful week. Hope you'll be here on Sunday, and I'm so excited to start the church year.